desk is tiny, piles of papers everywhere, colored pens beneath my chair, a ruler hiding under there. I stop and really see it, and I feel a little shy. So today I make a choice, I'll clean this space, I'll make it shine. I don't have to rush it, I can take my time. Every little job I do helps me grow inside.
Let me help you.
I clean my study corner, this little space is mine. Books and
Here is the
notebooks
last
on
one.
the shelf, pencils in one
Perfect.
line. I clean my study corner, don't need mom to say when my desk is nice and neat. I love to learn and stay. I grab a cloth and wipe it. Now my desktop starts to glow. Scraps of paper in the trash, nothing on the floor below. I sort my pens by color, line them up from dark to bright. When I look around my room, my whole heart feels so light. I don't have to rush it, I can take my time. Every little job I do is a gift to mom and dad. I clean my study corner, this little space is mine. Books and notebooks on the shelf, pencils in one line. I clean my study corner, don't need mom to say when my desk is nice and neat. I love to learn and stay. Before I go to bed, I take one last little look. Is my table messy still? Already like a book.
We did
Tomorrow
it!
when I study, I won't have to search around. Everything is in its place, waiting for me to be found. I clean my study corner, this little space is mine. Tiny jobs I do each day help me grow smart and kind.